Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Here is Audrey Joseph. Today, we're breaking down the CompTIA Network Plus exam objective. If you are studying Network Plus or thinking about it, this video will give you the clarity and the direction that you are looking for. First of all, the CompTIA Network Plus have 5 domains. So let's dive into the details so you guys can see the big picture, what is it about exactly. Each domain have different weight on the exam. They have different percentage. First of all, we have the network concept, which is 22%. We have the network implementation, which is 20%. We have the network operations, which is 19%. We have network security, which is 14%. And we have network troubleshooting, which is 24%. Now, which one of them should you put more focus on? Personally, I'll put more focus on the one that have the bigger percentage on the exam, the network troubleshooting and the network concept. Those will give you about 47% on the exam, and then you can kind of study everything else about the other objectives so you can make the rest of the point that you need to pass that exam. That's what we need. We need the strongest foundation possible to have the highest chance of passing this exam on the first try. So now, what is it exactly? Network Plus isn't just a certification. This is the blueprint for how digital world communicate. Every message, every stream video, every cloud service, every Wi-Fi connection, all of it is built on the concept inside of this exam. Network Plus proves that you understand how devices talk between each other, how data moves, how networks are built, and more importantly, how to secure them and how to fix them. The exam structure is like this. You will get up to 90 questions. It might be a little bit lower, it might be 75. It depends. Some of them will be multiple choice and some of them will be performance based on a simulated environment. So trust me, those 90 minutes, they'll go fast, way faster than you think. That's why understanding the domain is so important. Network concept, this domain is 22% on the exam. It covers the fundamentals, IP addressing, subnetting, port and protocol, routing versus switching, the HOSI model. The second domain, which is network implementation, this covers 20% of the exam. This is where you build a real network. This is the hands-on part of the exam. Routers, switches, VLANs, wireless network, DHCP, DNS server. This is the hands-on part of the exam, as I told you before. Domain 3, which is network operation, this is 19% on the exam. It teaches you how to keep a network running smoothly. Monitoring tools, documentation, disaster recovery, policies, change management, it covers all of those. And the fourth domain, which is network security, this domain, it is 14% on the exam. You will learn the basic of securing a network, authentication, access control, wireless security, threat detection. That's all it covers. Domain 5, which is network troubleshooting. This is the biggest domain. You want to memorize those. You want to understand this domain clearly. Here, you will learn how to diagnose issues, interpret log, fix connectivity problems, solve wireless issues, identity misconfigurations. This is where you become a valuable asset for any company. And here, that was the full breakdown of the Network Plus exam objective. If you want me to do a full study plan video, hit the comment and I will do it for you. That was a pleasure to break down the exam objective for the Network Plus, and I'll see y'all on some other content about Network Plus exam. That was Audrey Joseph.